Now let's move to our next product, which is clean room panel. I don't have samples in my hand, but I will show you some pictures of this panel. Have a look at the screen. So this is a detail part of a handmade clean room panel. You can see the joint part is very different from the normal wall or cold room panel. This is for the ceilings, and you can see the profiles. It will be helped the ceilings to hang from the top. So as we all know, clean room are for the project, like if you have a laboratories, or if you have product, electrical product which requires no dust, or if you are a medicine business, so the production environment will require very high sanitary and no dust. So these clean rooms will provide an environment just for them. And normally the project is under a shelter, so the screws will be hanging the ceilings to the structures from the top. Okay. So these pictures, as you can see, this is a machine-made clean room panel. You can see the joint part is a little bit different from the handmade one, and the core material is the same. Okay, this is a full picture of a small sample handmade clean room panel. You can see each side is the same. Each side is the same. Each side have a groove, and the panels will be fixed with no screws, but with profiles of aluminum. Okay. As you can see, the hole in the middle of the panel, the core material is rock wool. You can tell from the color. So this picture shows the details of how two panels connect with each other. As you can see, there is aluminum profile in the middle. It will connect two panels together in each side. And if you have a drawing of your project, we will make a layout map for your project and provide all the hardwares and the profiles you're gonna need when you do the installation. And as you can see, this picture is the passing window for your clean room. This is also a detail of how the clean rooms are fixed. As you can see, this is a hanging profile. It will help the ceiling of the panels hanging from the top of the structures. It will be hung with this exact profile. This is also for the ceiling, and this is a clean room door. We also provide you doors, and this is a arc aluminum for the corners of the table. Also samples of clean room panel. And by the way, all these samples are free of charge. If you want to see the details of our product, free samples can be available. All you need is just to provide a detailed address and a details of your consignee. You can see the surface is very neat and very beautiful. And the core materials we also have many options. For this is EPS core materials. We also got PU material, XPS, TPS, and the rock wool as well. Glass wool also as options.